Hello children, myself Rachna Thakkar. I am your EVS teacher from Brilliant Public School. Today our topic is flowers in nature. A flower, sometimes known as a bloom or blossom, is the reproductive structure found in flowering plants. A flower is a special part of the plant. There are four main parts of a flower. They are sepals, petals, pistil and stamen. Let us understand parts of a flower. Anther and filament are the parts of stamen. Petal, sepal, stigma, style and ovary are the parts of pistil. Sepal. Sepal is a little leaf at the base of a flower. It protects the bud of a flower. Petal. It is the colorful, fluffy and soft part. They attract pollinators like bees. Pistil. It is inside the center of the flower where pollination occurs. It is also called as carpel. It has stigma, style and ovary. Stamen. It holds the pollen at their ends called anther. It has filament also. Let us learn about the male and female reproductive parts of the flowering plants. Male reproductive part. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of anther and filament. The anther produces pollen grains. Each matured pollen grain contains a tube cell consisting of a tube nucleus and two male gametes. Now, female reproductive part. Carpel is the female reproductive part of the flower. Top part of the carpel is called as stigma. Stigma is supported by style. Base part of the carpel is the ovary. Ovary contains one or more ovules. Each ovule has a female gamete. Flowers that contain both male and female reproductive parts are called bisexual flowers. Example, hibiscus and rose. Flowers that contain male or female reproductive parts are called unisexual flowers. Example, papaya and watermelon flower. For fertilization to take place, pollen grains need to be transferred from stamen to the stigma. If the transfer of pollen grain takes place in the same flower, then it is called self-pollination. If the transfer of pollen grains takes place from one flower to another, then it is called cross-pollination. This transfer of pollen grains is done by wind, water, insects or animals. Thank you children. I hope you all understood. Stay safe. Stay at your home till we meet next time. Bye bye. Take care.